Okay, welcome to this new video. So some people asked me to do a tutorial for the avocado plant, so I'm going to show it very quickly. So what you need is a avocado seed. Usually I put them in the shadow for 2 days, then it's easy to remove this external peel. So like this, but it's not really necessary that you remove it. But if you want, you can do it. It's nice because it prevents that the seed get rotten. So okay, but when it's totally clean, it's easier if you put it for some days to dry. You can also do it immediately, but it's better like this. So what I do then is to cut on top ½ centimeter, because this really helps the new plant to come. After that you cut also in the down part, not very much because you can also kill the plant, the future plant. So you cut something like this. Ah, shit, I think I'm fine. Yeah, bad joke. Okay, so when you have this like this, you take 4 of these toothpick like this. I usually make it in an angle. Let me see, more or less like this. 4 of them, 1 in each side. Like this. Yeah. And then you need a glass or something like this, and that's it. So you fill it with water. What I usually do is to wait because I don't have a lot of space, so what I do is to cut a little bit the border so I can put several glasses like this here all together. But if you have a space, don't do it, otherwise you can just cut a little bit in each side. Okay, like this. Then you fill it with water, and more or less that covers, let's say, 1 centimeter of the base of the seed, and that's enough. That's it. Then after a few weeks, 2 or 3 weeks, you will have something like this. So that means that the seed is active, is working. So you will see the first roots here. It's important to change the water every week, otherwise it will get rotten. This one is not working yet. This one is very nice. This also. So after 2 or 3 weeks it will be like this, so you know that your plant is coming, and then you will have something like this in more or less 1 month, or sometimes less. If you cut here and here, it will go faster. Look. So when the plant goes a little bit bigger, you can finally, after 1 or 2 months, put it in soil like this. Don't cover the seed, but just cover the base of it, and then you will have a nice avocado plant. Okay, I hope you like this video, and see you soon.